Time versus returns. Starting a YouTube channel demands extensive time and effort, with no guaranteed returns. Despite pouring hours into content creation, success may not be immediate or assured. Financial investment. Producing quality content requires a financial investment in equipment, software, and sometimes outsourcing. Limited budgets can hinder competing with well-established channels. Ad revenue challenges. While YouTube offers ad revenue sharing, fluctuating CPM rates and strict monetization policies can limit earnings potential. Many creators struggle to generate sustainable income, prompting exploration of alternative revenue streams. In summary, launching a YouTube channel entails significant time and financial investments, with uncertain returns. Despite challenges in ad revenue and competition, strategic planning and content differentiation can enhance long-term success prospects.